You don't need the glamour. You don't need the gold. What you truly need is you to show up, to stand there as your most authentic self, stripped of excuses, stripped of pretenses, stripped of the need for validation, and ready to give everything you have to the life that you want. Showing up is half the battle, but it's the half most people will never win. They wait until they feel ready, until the circumstances are perfect, until the stars align. But the truth is, you'll never feel truly ready. There will always be a reason for you to hesitate. There will always be a reason for you to hold back. And yet, those who reach their dreams, those who accomplish their goals, those who fulfill their destinies, they're the ones who show up anyway. No glitter, no spotlight, just determination, just willingness, just a decision that today I'm moving forward. When you show up consistently, doors begin to open, not because the path suddenly gets easy, but because the world starts to recognize that you are serious, that you're not just talking about your goals, you're walking into them. You're proving that your dream isn't just a wish, it's a commitment. Showing up means you're willing to work when no one is clapping. It means you're willing to push when no one's watching. It means you've chosen progress over perfection, discipline over distraction, and authenticity over appearances. Your destiny doesn't demand you to be flawless. It doesn't require a spotlight or applause. All it takes is that you keep on showing up, that you keep on putting in the work, that you keep walking forward when others would stop. Because in reality, dreams aren't reached in a single leap. They're built, brick by brick, day by day, with the simple decision to be present and give their best. So let go of the need for glamour, or at least the obsession with the gold. What matters is that you show up, your heart, your drive, your determination. That's what creates transformation. That's what carries you across the finish line. And when the day comes, when you stand in the reality of the dream you once only imagined, you'll realize it wasn't the glitter, the glamour, or the gold that got you there. It was you, showing up again and again as your truest self. You don't need the glamour. You don't need the gold. What you truly need is you to show up, to stand there as your most authentic self, stripped of excuses, stripped of pretenses, stripped of the need for validation, and ready to give everything you have to the life that you want.